morning. Made my matcha latte. This morning I already spent 2 hours applying for jobs. And now I'm waiting till 12 so then I can do my workout and then eat lunch and then edit some videos. Maybe we'll plant today, or is it today? Today is our plant date. Every week I guess we're trying to like do something new. Last week we did fluid painting, so they turned out pretty well. Now we have to like repot our plants. They're looking a little big, too big for their pots. Can't believe it's May. Here are the plants. Oh my god, this guy used to be like this small, and within 3 weeks it's so tall now. It's kind of crazy. More scallion. Gotta repot. This one's okay, but gotta repot this guy. Look how big he got. This, I don't even know what's going on anymore. It's like all sorts of crazy. This is a spare pot. It's supposed to be very pretty. It's like 2 colors, like underneath and on top. But I don't know what's going on. It's a little dead. It's a little crinkly. Pretty gloomy. Workout for the day done. And Peter ordered Popeyes. Don't say anything because we've been very good. Haven't eaten fast food in forever. Been craving some chicken sandwiches. Whoa. Well, he's gonna eat all that. I'm just gonna eat this and this. This is so sad. It shrunk. It used to be so big. Now it's like a lot smaller. But the mash is still very good. I never had Popeyes until I met Peter. Peter's favorite.
You haven't lived life until you met me.
No, I live the healthier lifestyle. No instant ramen either, but instant ramen's good now. I've been spending the past hour trying to get this TikTok down.
Yeah, let's look at the recent one. Let's start with this one. Is anyone else out there watching TikToks and you're like, this person is so funny, and then you realize that they're not even using their own audio and that they're just lip singing and that you could probably be doing the same thing, so you try to do it and then you can't do it well at all?
Alright, so there are 3 people in the race. The handicap, the blind, and then the deaf. So tell me when to stop.
I said stop and you kept going.
He's deaf. He's deaf. I thought it was so funny. I kept dying. Oh my god. Look at this. He got this for our plant night date. Plant food. He got food for our plants, but not soil. We had so many things to repot. We got plant food instead. So we're gonna probably take the soil from this guy and distribute that. this guy. It's a little cricket. Huh. But this guy had a casualty. We kind of like accidentally ripped off one of his arms. But I'm trying to have him grow back. We potted new ones here. New seeds. Don't know what the seeds are. This one. Oh no.